Modul Geodesi 2 in R concept. Mathematician Sir Isaac Newton published Principia, which hypothesizes the inverse square law of universal gravitation. In his own words, I deduced that the forces which keep the planets in their orbs must be reciprocally as the squares of their distances from the centers about which they revolve, and thereby compared the force requisite to keep the moon in her orb with the force of gravity at a
Ask anybody around you this simple question, what is gravity? And what you'd probably hear is, it's something that pulls objects towards the earth, or it's a force.
When it says 56 kilograms on your bathroom scales, what are you actually measuring? Well, if you said weight, like most people would, then you're sort of wrong. Kilograms are a measure of mass, but the scales actually measure the force of gravity on your mass. So they do actually measure weight, but this should be in units of force, newtons.
Geodetic vertical control. There are two main controls that you need to know, namely vertical data, geodetic datum. Let's go further.
Hey guys, this is Dorothy Vertical Control.
Here we get two concepts. The first one is vertical control and
height systems in geodesy. In this topic, you will be explained about the types of visibility used in geodesy. Among them are normal height, orthometric height, dynamic height. Let's learn it.
Hi guys! Welcome to Orthometric Cafe.
What is triangulation surveying? This video explains about triangulation survey and objectives of triangulation survey. Triangulation is the technique of surveying in which the required area is surveyed by forming series.
How GPS works. Trilateration explained. Have you ever wondered, how does the global positioning system work? I guess you did if you're watching this video. GPS uses a method called trilateration. It seems to be widely confused with triangulation, but triangulation requires measuring angles, while trilateration is based upon measuring distances. I'll show you this using a simplified two-dimensional visualization. Let's say we have three transmitters, A, B, and C. They form a triangle. However, they will be able to locate an object not only inside of the triangle, but anywhere in their range. So let's start by measuring the distance to the satellite A. I'll illustrate the measured distance with a circle.
Resection and intersection. Position resection and intersection are methods for determining an unknown geographic position, position finding, by measuring angles with respect to known positions. In resection, the one point with unknown coordinates is occupied and sightings are taken to the known points. In intersection, the 2 points with known coordinates are occupied and sightings are taken to the unknown point. Measurements can be made with a compass and topographic map, or nautical chart, theodolite, or with a total station using known points of a geodetic network or landmarks of a map. GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System. Basic principle of GNSS is a typical conventional survey establishes positions of unknown points by occupying a known point and measuring to the unknown points. We occupy the unknown point and measure to known points. The basis of all
I'm sure you already know what GPS is, but have you ever wondered how GPS actually calculates your position? Or what sort of limitations there are to its accuracy? In its most basic form, GPS triangulates your position by measuring how far away it is from different satellites. It knows the position of each satellite, and by drawing an imaginary ring around each one, it can calculate its position as the point where
Satellite segment. This satellite segment describes related to GPS satellites fly in medium Earth orbit, MEO, at an altitude of approximately 20,000
Segment control. Control segment consists of a global network of ground facilities that track the GPS.
GPS positioning techniques. There are several methods of data collection using GPS. Among them are GPS point positioning, GPS relative positioning, static GPS surveying, fast, rapid static, stop and go GPS surveying. Let's read this written method. Let's click on the slide note button.
All these methods have their own advantages. You can learn it and apply it in field work. Enjoy every method in GNSS. Click it for the video.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Samsul Ridwan. Saya hari ini menjadi trainer. Okay, saya ingin memperkenalkan alat-alat GNSS yang kita dapat. Okey, ni adalah base atau nama dia adalah I50. Okey, ni pemegang dia.